A company will pay you $78,000 a year to do something you can teach yourself in about 6 months. No degree, no coding bootcamp debt, no 4 years and 40 grand first. And before you roll your eyes, yeah, I know how that sounds. Every other video promises you a 6-figure job by Friday. This isn't that. By the end of this, you'll know the exact path, the free skills that actually get you hired, and the one mistake that quietly kills most people's chances before they even apply. Let's start with what the job actually is, because most people picture it completely wrong. A data analyst is not a programmer. You're not building apps. You're the person who takes a messy pile of numbers, sales, users, survey results, and turns it into an answer a manager can actually use. Why did sales drop in March? Which customers are about to cancel? You find the story hiding in the spreadsheet. That's it. You're a translator between data and decisions. And companies are desperate for translators right now. Okay, the path, 4 steps. I'll be honest about how long each one really takes. Step 1, the foundations. This is Excel and SQL. Not glamorous, completely non-negotiable. Excel, because every company on earth runs on spreadsheets. And SQL, that's the language you use to pull data out of a database. SQL sounds scary, it's not. It's basically asking a database polite questions in plain-ish English. You can get genuinely job ready at both in about 8 weeks of evenings. Step 2, a visualization tool. This is where it gets fun. Tableau or Power BI. These turn your boring rows of numbers into dashboards that make you look like a wizard in interviews. Pick one, don't learn both. Power BI if you're aiming at corporate or finance jobs. Tableau if you want more options overall. 2 to 3 weeks to get comfortable. Step 3, and this is the one almost everyone skips. Projects. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Nobody cares that you watch the tutorials. A hiring manager has 30 seconds and 100 applicants. What makes them stop is proof you can actually do the work. So you build 3 small projects. Grab a free public dataset, there are thousands online, and answer a real question with it. Then write up what you found like you're explaining it to a boss. That write-up matters more than the chart. Remember, you're a translator. Show them you can translate. And step 4 is where I'll come back to that mistake I promised. Because step 4 is where most people sabotage themselves without realizing it. But first, quick reality check on the timeline. Realistically, 6 to 9 months studying part-time to go from 0 to your first job offer. Not 6 days, not while you sleep. 6 to 9 months of real, consistent reps. The people who make it aren't the smartest, they're the ones who didn't quit in month 2 when it stopped feeling exciting. Okay, step 4, the applying. And the mistake. Most people only search for the words data analyst and then panic when every listing wants 3 years of experience. The fix is stupidly simple. Search the job, not the title. Reporting analyst, business analyst, operations analyst, marketing data coordinator. Same skills, same software. Way less competition, and far more of them are open to people without a degree. That one shift, widening the titles you search, turns a wall into a doorway. The job's the same, the label is just different. So let's put the whole thing together. Excel and SQL for your foundation. 1 visualization tool to stand out. 3 real projects to prove it. And smart, widened searching to actually land it. That's the path. No degree, no fortune, just 6 to 9 months of showing up. If you want, the next thing to figure out is which of these 4 steps fits your life right now. Because doing them in the wrong order is the second biggest reason people stall. I broke that down in the next one. And if this roadmap saved you some guesswork, subscribing is just the easiest way to catch the rest of the series. I cover 1 career path like this every week. Either way, go open 1 free dataset today. Not tomorrow. The first project is the hardest, and the only way past it is to start it.